Finish what you start. The Art of Following Through, Taking Action, Executing, and Self-Discipline by Peter Hollins. 1. Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve? Once you know what you want, you can start to break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks. 2. Make a plan. How are you going to achieve your goals? Break down your goals into smaller steps and create a timeline for each step. 3. Start small. Don't try to do too much at once. Start with small, achievable tasks and build up your momentum. 4. Take action. Don't procrastinate. Just start working on your goals today. 5. Be persistent. There will be setbacks along the way. Don't give up. Just keep working towards your goals. 6. Celebrate your successes. When you achieve a goal, take the time to celebrate your success. This will help you stay motivated and keep moving forward. 7. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling, don't be afraid to ask for help from a friend, family member, or mentor. 8. Be patient. It takes time to achieve your goals. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. 9. Believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. 10. Enjoy the journey. Finishing what you start can be a rewarding experience. Enjoy the process of learning and growing. Finish What You Start is a practical and inspiring book that will help you to achieve your goals. It is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to follow through and finish what they start. Here are some additional lessons from the book. There is no one-size-fits-all solution to finishing what you start. What works for one person may not work for another. Find what works for you and don't be afraid to experiment. Finishing what you start is a skill. Like any skill, it takes practice and time to develop. Don't give up if you don't get it right the first time. Finishing what you start is worth it. When you finish what you start, you feel a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. This can boost your confidence and motivate you to achieve even greater things. I hope these lessons help you to finish what you start and achieve your goals. For more, subscribe to Dr. Shekib.